Hey there. If you're trying to figure out what the spiritual awakening that we're going through is all about, pick up my book, Secrets of a Metaphysical Flight Attendant. Came out in 2014. You can order it direct from me, signed copy, less than what you pay on Amazon if you want to get it direct. I can send it to you. There's a link below. But the reason I wrote it is because I had this thing happen to me in my 20s that I realized was a spiritual awakening. Stepping off the matrix, seeing through the illusion. I had to have many life lessons after that. That was back in the 1970s, but it was an experience that was life changing. And I wrote the book because I just wanted to share with people how it can happen for anybody, to anybody. You can be a flight attendant, you can be, anything, and you can have a spiritual awakening. So I wrote my memoir because I wanted to help other people, because I know when it happened to me, I just started reading as many books as I could find written by what I considered enlightened beings that could compare notes with me and let me know what they went through. And they're out there. There are people. I've studied Mary Baker Eddy, who founded the Christian Science Church, Neville Goddard, who was an incredible lecturer, student of the Bible for many years. I've studied Yogananda, who came to the United States many years ago to teach Westerners how to meditate, wrote that book, Autobiography of a Yogi. I studied Gurdjieff, the Russian mystic who trained people in waking up. He called it the work. And I'm just fascinated by the study of metaphysics and spirituality, because being trapped in your physical, human, mortal body and mind can be very deadening after a while. And when you want to break free and get out of the matrix, which is this programming that we're all subject to as soon as we're born, it's a hypnotic state that we get into. And until you figure out how to wake up from it, you're just hypnotized. So that's why I wrote it. And that's why I like to share these insights with other people, because I know there's an awful lot of seekers out there. And if you go below, you'll see a link to a course that I'm giving in September, Silva Ultramind. I've trained a few thousand people in that modality, put together by Jose Silva, very powerful. And I also have another course, the Mega Manifestation Method, that you can find on my website. So I hope to see you in one of my courses, and bye for now.